Good morning, class 3rd. How are you all? I hope you all would be fine. So, today we will do mental maths. So, take out your stationery, your box, and take out the pencil. You should have the sharpener and the eraser also. Is it clear? So, take out your book, mental maths, and we will do the worksheet number 1. We will do the worksheet number 1. So, put the date over here, 24 and which is the month? April, that is 04 and 2021. Is it clear? Okay. So our first worksheet is numbers up to 10,000. So what we have to do? Our first question is write the following numbers in figures. See, the topic is numbers up to 10,000. Is it clear? So before starting, see the boxes where we have to fill. You have to write ones, tens, hundred, thousand and 10,000. What do you have to write? 10,000. Is it clear? Okay. So first question is write the following numbers in figures. So we have to write in figures. So we will start now. Our first part is 9,959. Is it clear? 9,000. It is 9,000. So 9 will come on the place of 1,000. So below 1,000 you have to write 9 like this. Then 900. Again 9 is coming on the position of 100. So you will write 900. Clear? Now 59. See 50. 50 is the position of tens. So 5. 50. 9 on the ones place. Is it clear? So the first one is 9,959. Clear? Now the B part. 7,000. 7,000. So it should come below the 1,000 position. 7,000. Clear? 450. 450. Is it clear? Now the C part is 4,677. So 4 will come over here. 4,677. Is it clear? Okay. Then come on the D part. It is 3,116. So 3,100. Sorry, it is 100. 116. 3,116. Clear? Now E part 1,000 1832. 1832. 1 on the place of 1000. 800, so 8 over here, and 32. So you will write 32. Is it clear or not? Okay, one thing I want to tell you, आप सब लोगों को बेटा अपना होमवर्क जो हम कर रहे हैं, you have to send it till 2 PM. Each homework which you get daily, you have to send it till 2 PM, because it is good for you in maintaining your attendance record. So you have to maintain your attendance record, and on the basis of your homework which you are sending, it will be counted and you will be provided marks in your exams. It contributes 20 marks. So we will give you the marks, that is 20 marks, on the basis of your punctuality, your attendance, and your homework. So this is most important, and you have to daily send your homework till 2 PM. Is it clear or not? And you have to attend both the classes, live as well as recorded. Okay. Now the F part. F part is 2549. So 2 will come here on the 1000 place. See, you might be thinking, I have written over here 10,000 also, because numbers up to 10,000. So we haven't got any number above 10,000, but still we have to write over here 10,000. So there should be no confusion. कोई confusion नहीं होना चाहिए आपको. 2000, now 500. So 5 will come below 100th position. So 5 over here, and 49. 49. Is it clear or not? You have to do a clean work, beta. Your work should be tidy. Clear? Now, last one is 8216. So 8 will come on the position of 1000. 200. So 2 on the position of 100. Last one is 16. So 16 makes 2-digit number like this. Is it clear? Okay. Now we will do the question number 2. That is, write the following numbers in words. We have to write these. Now this has been given in figures, and these numbers we will convert into words. We have to write in words. Okay. So what is our first number? 9958. So you have to write in words. We'll write like this. 9 thousand 900 958. To write 58. Is it clear? 9,958. Clear or not? Now the B part. B part is 7,825. So you will write 7,800. 25. Clear? Now C part is 1,058. See, there is 0 on the place of 100. So we will read it 1058. There is no 100 position. Clear? So we will write 1058. Now the next one is 7,085. Again there is no 100 position because 0 is over there. So we will, how we will read it? 7,085. 7,085. Clear? Now the E part is 5,821. 5,821. 5,821. Are you getting it or not? Okay. Now the next one is 4,879. So how will you write? 4,000. Again 800. 8 is on the 100 position. 800. It's 79. 79. Is it clear? Okay. Now the last one, 1,587. 1,500 87. Is it clear or not? So we have completed a worksheet number 1. Worksheet number 1. So all of you have to submit this worksheet till 2 p.m. You have to send your homeworks daily. Is it clear or not? मैंने आपको बताया है कि इसके फ़ायदे क्या हैं बेटा। आपकी अटेंडेंस, रिकॉर्ड, मेंटेनेंस सारी चीज़ें अच्छे से होंगी। यू विल गेट द मार्क्स आल्सो फॉर दैट। इज इट क्लियर और नॉट? सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। टिल देन, गुड बाय।